complete.
It's on. It's on.
It's not. All right.
All right. I want to change the lights. Stop. All right, so guys, we're Team 7, and this is our this is the name of our game, WeChat. Do you guys know WeChat? It's okay, never mind. All right, yeah, from there, WeChat. So yeah, our team is 711, and our teammate, not every one of us is here today, but I'm pretty sure they work so hard. They're sleeping right now, and I hope they can really enjoy their sleeping time. All right, move on. Let's move on. Okay, so WeChat rule, guys. Okay, this is basically our user menu. Okay, we have four options. So for the first one, choose one for player versus computer. First of all, if you choose this one, you will look at the choose side. Of course, you can choose either black or white. And then, okay, if you want to input something else, you won't proceed, and you do have the opportunity to retype it again. Okay, and for number 2 is player vs player. So just enjoying the time. White always go first. Okay, number 3 for display the rules. If you forget the rules and you lost some memory, just get into it, look at it. Okay, and number 4 is for exit and leave the game. That's basically the user manual. All right, next slide.
All right.
Okay, for our data structure, we use the data structure, or use the files suggested in the course website. So basically in the user interface module, we have board and renewal board, that kind of functions. And in chess objects.c, that's create a whole board. It's the initial board and all the pieces on it. And as well as the chess objects.h is one of the most important files we need because our data types are in there. Okay, and for list of moves, it works properly, it works perfectly, and it lists all the possible moves of a chosen piece. Of course, if you choose a flag for say no piece on the cell, then of course it will return 0. Next is chess rules. Now we almost completed. Can you go back to the previous one?
All right, go back.
So for chess rules, we've almost finished. I think we've already finished 95%. There's just a little small bug we need to fix. Then we can, I say, will improve. Okay, for the log file will record each step, and it is used for trace back. So, for example, the features like undo and that kind of thing we need to use the log file. And for now, we didn't implement the undo yet, but I'm pretty sure we'll do it later on. And save, of course, the same thing. And the strategy.c, we decided to have 3 different levels, but right now we only finished implementing the first level. That's a random, move. That's the difficulty of the first level, and we give it a very nice name, Rookie. Okay, chess.c, that's our main program. That's the main control flow. All right, next. Okay, then Jimmy will lead us to the real program, and let's run it. Jimmy?
Right.
Okay. Oh, it's just in the bottom now. No, it's not. Oh, where's the...
there's the fifth member. Alan, come over.
Enter.
This copy is. No.
That can't be one more. I need my AI to have this time because they can't use it.
So we're a team, we're 7-11, so I think that's so this are our team members. Alan's just came here. Alan, how are you?
Good. How are you guys?
Nice. And Anita, she's not there, but why she's not here?
Busy with her boyfriend, I guess.
Okay. And this is Jimmy, and this is Tex, and the person standing right there is Jose. I'm Stanley, by the way. Okay, you can try to type something else and see if you can get into the game, because you gotta type capital S into this. Of course, dear player, always user friendly. Okay.
I'm gonna go eat.
Right,
testing.
Alright, so this is basically the user interface. Oh, okay, by the way, we're not using GUI. We'll just use texture file. I think that works great. And alright, so do you want to test play chess in this AI?
Alright, sure. Go ahead. I'm going in.
Okay, you can type a 3 and see what happens. That's for select side. Okay, invalid input. Please re-choose. Okay, we can choose.
What?
Okay, right. Yeah, that's good. Okay, then you can select the difficulty. But the 2 and 3 are not available right now, but it'll be available in the next 2 days. Yes, absolutely. Okay, so just choose one for the rookie. Okay, Jimmy can make a move. Let's say whatever you want to move.
Let's do some random stuff. This. Oh well, I'm kind of stupid.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Let's have this.
That's how it works.
Alright,
We don't want segmentation fault, so that's why we set it here. So yeah, because some user may input something that is not correct, but it's okay. Even though you input the thing that's not correct, you always have the chance to retype it.
Well, I'm moving the palm from the left.
A1 to A4. Okay.
Oh, oops.
Yeah, that's of course we don't allow that to happen anyway. That's a rule. We don't want a rule move to here. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Be real quick.
B2, B4.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Basically, you don't need you don't need to input space in them. It's not necessary. Or you can just, for example, eat it. B4,
Okay.
B4 to A5, no space.
B4
to B5.
B5.
Yes. Oh, A5. My bad. Jimmy. Okay, still your turn. Okay, please make a move.
Moves.
It's okay. So it basically works properly. And if you want to exit, and just type exit. Jimmy, let's exit. All right. Then you can go into player against another player. Because the white party always move first, so at the beginning of the game, you don't have an option. Just either you move or your partner moves. Yeah, just type it in. Okay, white's turn. That's the new board. We make sure we got renew the board. Okay, just move the knight, please.
Knight?
Yeah. Now it's the white turn. If you input like you want the black pawn to move forward, it won't allow you to do that. That's true.
No space.
Let's
guys.
see how that works.
D1.
No space in between the coordinates.
It's okay. No problem. No problem. We accept both input. All right. Okay. Now you can move one piece of the black piece.
B?
And you can move queen because like that. So powerful.
So
All right.
powerful.
C7.
Alright,
Let's
let's
C7
try it.
to C5.
So it's D8 to. But Stanley tried to move the queen, so let's give him a chance. D6.
I mean, we gotta move the pawn first. Okay, never mind. So basically, our chess pieces all move correctly, so the rules are no problem with it. Okay, let's just exit.
Next.
Yeah, right. And of course, you can display the rules of the game. Just display the rules again. Number 3. Okay, got it. All right, so that's basically our program, and hopefully you guys can enjoy it. All right, so let's go back to the presentation. All right, so the intriguing bugs we have, the first one is the coordinates. Actually, guys, about the coordinates, do we have a move here so I can show you? Nice. So originally, in our user interface module, our coordinates is like a 0, 0 is up there. If this is 8th position, this is the 1st position. However, our rule implementer, they said use this as 0, 0. So we have a really interesting bug, and it took us a long time to figure it out. Oh, it says, oh, we're gonna change here. We're gonna change the user interface, that the coordinates of the display to here. This is 0, 0. So that's one interesting bug. And the second one is functions being defined multiple times. Okay, I gotta be clear on this. So basically, our team members just want to work together and really want to contribute. So actually, Jimmy implement one function that's called check. Check. Just a check. Okay, check right? Oh wait, check net. Yeah, check net, and Anita also implement check net as well. There is some disconnection between us, but we fixed it quickly. Okay, and using the third bug is using a structure to define the structure. Okay, that's basically what we've learned last in the 22 course. But we figured out that this is the proper way. So basically, if you want to use a structure when you are defining this structure, you're gonna use type that in front, and then you can use in here numbers and give it a name. Yeah, that's basically it. Those are the 3 intriguing bugs, but it's all solved. All right, let's move on. Okay, so the next slide is the most important, and I won't forget for the rest of my life. Okay, although we didn't manage our time properly in the first 3 weeks, but we learned, we progressed. We're a team. Most importantly, we found out more about this team. First of all, contribution. Second of all, concentration. All right, we're very decisive because we help each other out. We just, whenever who has an idea, we just do it. We just do it. You know what? We just do it. All right, and even though we don't have a team leader, everyone is the team leader of this team. This is the culture of 7-Eleven. And connection, WeChat. Okay, we use like WeChat is like Facebook. We just send each other messages, and WeChat never stops sending messages. When I woke up this morning, I saw, oh, there are 13 messages. I didn't look at it. Come on, and just look at it. You know, connection actually matters in teamwork. Okay, arguments, sometimes Jimmy and I will have some arguments, but that's good. That's for our progress. Okay, and real experience. This is the most crazy one. We worked consecutively for 17 hours. Last Sunday, because the homework is due, of course, this is our fault. We should have done it earlier. But that's why we say we should manage our time properly in the first 3 weeks. But it's okay. We progressed, and we've made this just within 70 hours, and the next few hours we just did this. All right, let's move on. I'll give you guys some pictures. Okay, this is at Julia. The outdoors work at the lab. The lab is not so far from here, you know. Okay, the guys, Alan, Jimmy, and Jose. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Go ahead. All right, so even though there are just four of us in the lab, because it's pretty late, we understand other teammates cannot be there. But Jimmy also calls other teammates through a cell phone. This is Jimmy. Alright, let's move on, guys. Okay, this is the lab at 4:30. No one is there. The lab is ours. We just play and we just listen to music because we need to get relaxed. We're not just programming there. Instead, this is our life. We're living our lives together. It's not true. Double seven without that team. Go ahead. Okay, this is like that I really want to emphasize. We hold each other tightly to conquer the enemy. That's why we say we're a team. Double 7-11. All right, this is a great team. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Mr. Thank you slide. I gotta show you guys this. I want to make it complete.
My bad. All right, never mind. We're close there. All right, thank you. All right, let's start presentation.
Okay, thank you very much. Think about the price.